Hello, my monkeys, and welcome to a video. And today, I've figured out how to give myself more time, that is, and I'm going to be playing in a competitive lobby. But first, I'm gonna go buy a new hat. Weeks, or like a week. So let's see. Current balance, 200. I've been off this for like, that's a little weird. Maybe if I buy a 500, it'll actually work. Maybe. Come on, okay. Well, guess I'm just gonna go to a private lobby. Oh, was that a lava monkey? Here we go. This is the scary part. Competitive, okay. Let's do this. I'm scared. Okay, black monkey, get over here. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, you're already doing good. Oh wait, got one. Off we go. If I got golden rocks for every time I've caught a monkey, I would have 1,000,000. Got one. Monkeys. Break your black. Jump into the trees. Jump into the trees. Jumping, jumping, jump into the trees. Jumping, jumping, jump to the trees. After a silly monkey, jumping, jumping, jumping through the trees. Why? I always get distracted and sing too long. Get back here, you silly monkey. Oh, I just got closer. Okay, yep, this is definitely competitive. Okay. No, come on, I would have got him. But of course, I like to mess everything up. Come on, black. No, I'm just too bad. Monkey goes fast, but I'm gonna get pink. Ooh. 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 Oh. One day I'm gonna be just as good as that. But the thing is, just one day. That is. Jumping. Boom! Yes! Good job! Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Okay. Jumping. Gotten way better than last time. Okay. Tree rats are my thing now. I'm pretty good at jumping through the trees. And, yeah, other stuff. Haha! Did a good one. Wait, I think I can do it. One, never mind. It's too impossible. You know, I should stop trying before I get caught. But I'll just do it the normal way. Why am I... I actually need to get a lot better, actually. If anyone even sees this video, comment if they think that I'm good or bad. Honest, or just be dishonest too. Not hurt my feelings, but anyways, it won't hurt my feelings, cause yeah, people say okay, yeah, that was. I'm not even gonna cut that out. I should say that. Okay, never mind. Just scrap it. I forgot. Like I was saying, cause people said mean to me, so I can handle mean things. If you're a really nice person like me, there are gonna be a lot of people that are mean to you. Just don't let them drag you down. Oh, inspirational words from 2016 to 2021. Okay, back is alive. Hello. Hello. Let's go say hi to this monkey. Hi. I should have said hi. Now love monkey sees me. He actually did that. Whoa! Okay. Good. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. The end. Why am I so bad? Think this through. I do not think that's it. I know they're faster than me. Yes! Monkey music! Yes! Let's do this! Yes! Monkey music! The thing to my survival! Or it might be the music to my death. Da 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 da. Monkey needs to swing! Oh! Black monkey. Oh. Hi. Okay. Oh no! Black. Oh. The monkey music of concentration. Okay. Whoa! Yes! 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 Woo! Okay. Whoa! Technically, I am early access, but I never thought of buying the early access bundle. I'm not gonna buy anything until I get that cool golden monkey. Okay. Sweatband monkey, aka me. Whoa! Okay. Well, just can't stop listening to monkey music. Okay. That literally. Oh. I actually felt my heart. I could not breathe. I can feel my heart. If this game was a horror game, I'm probably dead. If this game was a horror game where you have to run from scary monsters like this, then, you know, I might be dead. No, you're not getting away. Ugh, stupid arm. Get back here. Ah! Get back here. Am I seriously this good? Have I become from the worst monkey in my species up to one of the greatest monkeys of my species? Not like one of the greatest, but I've upgraded to a great monkey. I started out this game while running, but nothing else. While running, while climbing, and that was all. Whoa, he actually still made it. Impressive, I must say. Don't worry, I got this. Wait. Whoa, thank you for teaching me a new route. You learn something new every day. Okay. I am determined to grow. I'm determined to be known. Yeah! I'm determined to be a good YouTuber. And I won't stop till then. One time I quit YouTube. But now, I do Gorilla Tag. And now, next time I record a video, I'm going to be playing a different game. I'll just take a break playing my favorite game, Gorilla Tag. For you guys to watch me, to watch my growth. The first video, I was like kind of good, running through the trees, kind of good, like running through the trees. How a amateur, no, a pro. Would I say pro? Between amateur and pro. But now look at me. Failing just as bad, but not as bad. Here we go. Whew. Ooh! Yeah! I found someone who told me he would help me edit. Oh! No! You know what? I should have stayed there. I was just staying there. And now I gotta chase this monkey around. Oh, I gotta chase that monkey now. He did this. He jumped from there. What is that monkey? It's like he's running on the ground. You know, I'm just gonna try to see what... Well, I guess I would call myself competitive. Okay. Boop. Well, guess I could say we are probably nearing the end, yeah. So, just gonna play around with the lava monkey, then end this. But who should I play with? I'm gonna play with that one. I'll play with you. Okay, he's good. So, goodbye, monkeys. I'm going to go up here and say goodbye. Here we go. Goodbye, monkeys. See you later.